Hi everyone, my name is Bridget Weinman. So I have not had much experience with learning research, but I did take a quantitative approaches class during my undergrad at East Stroudsburg University. In this class, there were many different socio-economical crises that were discussed and different ways data was used to capture more information about these crises. Something that would make learning research fun for me is seeing the results of all of the data that's collected and then using the results to implement an intervention that could have a positive effect on a person or a community. After reviewing the syllabus, what excites me most about this class is the group project. There are a lot of different topics to choose from, and they were all really interesting, that it was hard to just choose one topic. So I'm really looking forward to that. Also looking forward to the class in general and to getting to know everyone. Thank you.